channel. In this video I am going to teach you surface area and volumes. Let's see what and all we are going to see. Introduction, total surface area of cube and cuboid, lateral surface area of cube and cuboid, and at last exercise 13.1. Let's see introduction. We are already know 2D shapes and 3D shapes. What is 2D shapes? The plane figures such as squares, rectangles, triangles, circles, etc. are 2D shapes. What are 3D shapes? The three-dimensional shape, that is cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, etc. Let's see cube. Cube has faces, vertices and edges. There are 6 faces of cube. 1, 2, 3, bottom one side, this side one and back side one. So 6 faces. Vertices. There are 8 vertices. Vertices is the joints. 1, 2, 3, 4 and bottom 4 points. So vertices 8. Edges 12. The line is known as edges. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 that side. So edges 12. Let's see total surface area of cube and cuboid. Now let's see total surface area of cube. This is a cube. If we split, we get the net area of the cube. So it looks like 6 squares, right? We already know that the area of square is a square, which means a into a. A represents sides. So side into side, that is side square, that is we also write it as a square. So area of the 6 squares, that is 6 into a square. We get the total surface area of the cube as 6a square. Okay, understand? Next, lateral surface area of cube. Lateral means what? Lateral means the except top and bottom. See this top and except this bottom. So it is known as lateral surface area. We only need the 4 squares. Examples, if we want to whitewash the ceiling means it wants lateral surface area. There is another name for lateral surface area, that is curved surface area. So area of 4 squares, 4 into a square. We get the lateral surface area of cube as 4a square. Next we move to total surface area of cuboid. Now let's see total surface area of cuboid. This is a cuboid. If we split this, we get the net area. It looks like 6 rectangles. But in this case, we include a special height. But in rectangle, there is only length and breadth. But in cuboid, it includes height also. See, this is rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So each rectangle has a different area. Let's see area of the rectangle 1. This is rectangle 1. This is length and height. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, but here there is height. So length into height, that is LH. Next, area of rectangle 2. This rectangle represents this rectangle, okay? So area of rectangle 2. This is rectangle 2. It includes, this is height. Sorry, this is breadth and this is length. So length into breadth LB. Now area of rectangle 3. This one. Length, height. Okay, length into height LH. Now area of rectangle 4. This is length, breadth. So L length into breadth LB. Next, area of rectangle 5. This is the rectangle 5, that is top. Here base, now height. Breadth, height. B into H, BH. Next, area of rectangle 6. Breadth and height. So B into H, BH. Now, total surface area of cuboid. See, LH comes 2 times, LB also comes 2 times and BH also comes 2 times. So 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH, we simply write it as 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. L represents length, B represents breadth and H represents height. Now next let's see lateral surface area of cuboid. Now let's see lateral surface area of cuboid. See, this is a cuboid. Lateral means except top and bottom. So we have to take front face, back face, left side face and right side face. Here for front face, length and height we have to take. So the area is length into height LH. For back face also same, length into height LH. But for left side and right side, see here is breadth and height. So breadth into height BH for both sides. So see 2 into LH plus 2 into BH. Because 2 times LH and 2 times BH. We get 2 into LH plus BH. See carefully, there are h common in both. So we have to take h commonly. So 2 into height into L plus B. So we get lateral surface area of cuboid as 2 into height into L plus B, that is length plus breadth. Thank you.